Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya and this is my channel Crazy About Myself. So this is a quick tutorial of how I got ready for the Valentine's Day to celebrate at home. Yes, I'll be showing you how I did my look for the day. So let's get started. And I used all the products which are easily available online. I am already done with my moisturizer and my sunscreen. I used moisturizer from VLCC, that is the Lavang moisturizer, which is good for normal to oily skin. It suits my skin, and I used Pond's Sun Expert non-oily sunscreen with SPF 30. So at present I'm just getting dressed to be back at home to celebrate Valentine's Day at home only, as I have no boyfriend, but yes, I do have my family members whom I love, my dogs whom I love, my pets whom I love, with whom I'll celebrate my Valentine's Day. So I'll be at home, so I'm using this sunscreen. Otherwise, when I go out, I use this sunscreen from Requil, which has a SPF 50, which also suits my skin pretty well. I am using primer from Faces Canada, which is the Ultimate Pro Perfecting Primer Pore Minimalizing. I won't use much of it, this much is enough. I'll be using this one from Nykaa. This is the orange color corrector for the dark circles. And I'll be also using this green color corrector for the color corrections. So hey guys, I'm not a pro, okay? I'm not a makeup artist or I'm not an expert. I just do it as I like it. Now I'll be using this concealer from Too Faced, Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, full coverage. It is in the shade Nude. Next, we are using this foundation from NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade Natural. Just 2 plumps are enough for me. And finally, after the concealer and the foundation, we have to make sure that our makeup stays on its place. So I'll be using this finishing powder from Maybelline New York in the shade 25 Medium. And let it stay for about 1 minute or so. Well, I won't go deep into my eyebrows because I have a fringe. My eyebrows might get covered and won't show that much. We go into the eyeshadow part. I'll be using this palette from Huda Beauty. This is the Rose Gold palette, which is easily available on Nykaa. So the first shade which I'll be going in with, I think this suede, the suede one. And then I'll be using a little cocoa, and after that I'll be using Man-Eater, and for glitters I'll choose afterwards. So let's see, let's start with it. So I'm done with the suede and the cocoa, and now I'll be using this shade Man-Eater, which is a reddish shade. I'll be using it on the crease line first. So I'll just be right back after doing the same thing on the left side. your right, my left. So I'll be right back. So I'm back with the same thing on both my eyes. So now I'll be using this shade as my glitter, the Trust Fund and Blessed from the Rose Gold palette. This is the Trust Fund and this is Blessed. So I'll be using these two glitters. And finally now it's the time to brush off. Well, I'm late, but still it's the time to brush off the extra loose powder. One more thing, I forgot about the eyes. I have to do this part. I'll be using the shade Cocoa again. Time to do contouring. And I'll be using this brand new contouring palette from Try Sugar, which is 03 Fierce Feet contouring palette. So this is my very personal choice that I like doing contouring with my hands only, because I find that is more comfortable for me. So it's all up to you how you use it, how you do your contouring or how you do your eyeshadow or makeup. I'll be starting out with this brown. You see the difference? I'll be using this blush from Try Sugar again, 03 Mauve Marble is the shade. And now I'll be using this mascara from Faces Canada, Magnetic Eyes. So after the mascara, I'll be using this eyeliner from Maybelline New York, the Colossal Black Bold Eyeliner. Okay, now don't forget to hydrate your lips before you use a lipstick. So first I'll be hydrating my lips. Well, I had applied this before starting this tutorial also, which I didn't record. Now, finally, one of my favorite parts is using the highlighter. I'll be using this highlighter from Maybelline New York Master Chrome. It is in the shade Molten Gold. So I'll be using one of the lipsticks from this cute mini box which I got from Try Sugar's limited edition minis, lipstick minis, which is a Valentines special edition. Now this box is so cute and handy. Rule the world one look at a time. And these are the 4 lipsticks which one can choose from different wide range available at the site. I'll provide you with the links below so that you can go and choose your favorite lipsticks, and you can also get this mini handy pack from Try Sugar. This is in the shade Fantan 03 and this one is 10 Drop Dead Red.
Drop Dead Red.
And the next one is this 29 Scarlet Starlet. And the next one, the last one is Pink Sink 39. I think I'll go with Scarlet Starlet. So I'm done with my makeup and I'll be right back. See you after a break. I'm back after getting all dressed up and ready, wearing all these stuff, doing my hair. So I got this dress from an Instagram store, which is a local store, as I stand with the caption vocal for local. Do tell me in the comment section how you like my video, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.